Jai Shri Mataji, everyone. Can we have a quick introduction about everyone? This is Bindu from Virginia, and I've been practicing Sage Yoga since 2012. I request everyone you can unmute yourself and you can just give a quick introduction. When did you start and from which place you are?
Jai Shri Mataji, my name is Chris. I'm from Germany. I'm doing Sachi Yoga for roughly 2.5 years. And yeah, so found my way, you too.
Wow, very nice. Yeah. So you go to the center there. Do you have a local center there?
Yeah, that's a little bit problematic because the closest center or next collectivity is 2.5 hours car drive
Ah,
away. So it's really
okay.
complicated. I'm in a very small town. The next bigger towns, which
Sure.
are even give some
Mm.
challenge to get through there. Unfortunately, no collectivity, but I've been in contact with the people
Okay.
from
Mhm.
Hanover, and so I've been uh,
Mhm.
to a puja already
Oh, you've been to Abuja.
connected
Very nice. Okay.
with the German collective.
Nice, nice. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for introducing yourself. Yeah.
You're welcome.
We, Natalia.
Hello everyone, my name is Natalia. I live in UK and I have been practicing Sahaja Yoga since 1990. I'm originally Russian.
Ah, okay, okay. Very nice to meet you. And we have one more.
Joshua
Yannick.
Mataji, my name is Yannick from San Diego, California.
Uh-huh.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
I've been doing Sahaja Yoga since December 2019 as a curiosity because I do yoga. And I said, well, let me give it a try. And
Uh-huh.
I found out it's meditation. It's not the exercise, the poses. And I found it very relaxing. I do a lot in the morning, the 12 o'clock, which is the US time,
Okay.
with the Atlanta group. And
Mhm.
sometimes I go with the one in Arizona at night. But I try to connect in San Diego, but they haven't called me, so I'm still trying.
Mm.
So, but
Okay.
it's very relaxing and it helps me a lot with controlling my. I used to be very high tempered, and
Okay.
actually doing the meditation helps me a great deal.
Very
And I
nice.
thank you all. Yes, it's great. I work with Ritu
Mm-hmm.
Gupta, very beautiful lady in Atlanta, and many others.
Yeah, very
And
nice.
then also work with, we work with a girl in Poland,
Wow.
Nyashka, yeah. She's very nice.
Nice.
Thank you again, Josh
Okay.
Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. So everyone must be familiar with the mantras and all, right? So yeah. So we will start the session. We will first collectively bow down. If you have a candle, please light a candle in front of Shri Mataji. And we will collectively bow down, raise our Kundalini, and put ourselves in Bandhan. We will look at Shri Mataji's photograph with complete due love and respect in our heart. We'll just completely humble down ourselves, surrender our ego, our thoughts, our mind at her divine lotus feet. And we'll we'll invite Shri Mataji into our hearts. We'll pray, Shri Mataji, please come into our hearts and please cleanse our hearts. And let me not be in any delusions or illusions. Mataji, please keep me in complete reality. Take away the sheen of superficiality. Mataji, let me clean my heart so that you are there. You will try to pay attention completely on your heart, with right hand on your heart. And try to will cleanse our heart completely. Shri Mataji, please cleanse and purify my heart. Please remove all the ill feeling or any hatred or any jealousiness, anger towards anybody. Shri Mataji, please remove completely all the anger or any jealousiness or any hatred that I have in my heart towards anyone. Shri Mataji, please purify my heart. Shri Mataji, please come into my heart and please cleanse and purify my heart. Put right hand back on your lap. We will sing the 3 Mahamantras. With our attention on Shri Mataji in our heart, we will sing the 3 Mahamantras. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswati Mahakali Trigunatmika Kundalini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Sahasrara Swamini Moksha Pradayani Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Just feel Shri Mataji now in your hands and on your Sahasrar. Try to feel her in your hands through if in the form of vibrations. Try to feel her on your Sahasrar. You can feel the coolness on your Sahasrara. With these three great Mahamantras, we can feel Shri Mataji on our Sahasrara. Now we put both hands on the Mother Earth with attention on Sahasrara. We pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please remove all imbalances, all the heaviness from my left, right, and central channel into the Mother Earth. Shri Mataji, verily you are Shri Adi Bhumi Devi. Please kindly suck away all imbalances, all impurities, all my ego, superego into the Mother Earth. While keeping our attention on top of our head on Sahasrar and in our hearts, we'll take the mantra to Shri Adi Bhumi Devi. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Adi Bhumi Devi Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. And we'll just let the imbalances be absorbed into the Mother Earth. We'll just try to maintain the silence within ourselves. Shri Mataji, please remove all the heaviness from my head into the Mother Earth. Now we put our left hand on our lap, right hand on Mother Earth. We will balance our left side. We'll take the mantra to Shri Mahakali, Shri Bhairavnath with attention in our left heart and on Sahasrar. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahakali Sakshat Shri Bhairavnath Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Shri Mataji, please cleanse and clear my left channel. Verily you are Shri Mahakali, verily you are Shri Bhairavnath. Please remove all emotional imbalances, emotional disturbances affecting my spiritual essence. Please remove it into the Mother Earth. Shri Mataji, please give me the pure desire to become one with my spirit. And please remove all the negativities, all bhadas, all possessions from my left side into the Mother Earth. Now we put our right hand on our lap. And we will work on our left side through the candle. So we can light the candle. We can do a 3 candle treatment, which will help our left, clear our left side. So you can put one behind your left Swadhisthana from the back, and other one in front of your left palm. Now we are going to start with putting our left Muladhara chakra, which is the base of your left palm, towards the light, and right hand on Mother Earth. And we will completely pay attention to Shri Mataji. Look at her picture. You can look at her red dot, or you can look at her eyes. And with complete attention on Shri Mataji, as we are all aware that she is the doer and she is the enjoyer. So we do nothing. So she is the one who is going to clear our left side. So we'll put our left Muladhara chakra in front of the light. And here we'll take the mantra to Shri Nirmala Ganesh. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirmala Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Shri Mataji, verily you are Shri Nirmala Ganesh. Please come into our left Muladhara chakra. Shri Mataji, please make our left Muladhara chakra healthy and strong. Shri Mataji, please burn away all negativities, all dead spirits, all bhoots, all bhadas, all possessions in my left Muladhara chakra through this fire element. Shri Mataji, verily you are Shri Nirmala Ganesh. Please come into my left Muladhara chakra. Shri Mataji, please make me as Nirmal, as pure as Shri Nirmala Ganesh. Shri Mataji, through this fire element, please burn away all dead spirits, all negativities, all bhoots, all bhadas, all possessions, affecting my left Muladhara chakra, affecting my innocence. Shri Mataji, please make me innocent like Shri Nirmala Ganesh. And please remove all the lust, greed, all jealousness, all impure feelings, affecting my purity, affecting my chastity. Please burn away through this fire element. Now we'll just watch Shri Mataji's photograph with complete attention on our Sahasrar and on Shri Mataji, and let the candle, let the fire element cleanse our left Muladhara. Shri Mataji, please cleanse and clear the collective's left Muladhara chakra. Shri Mataji, please cleanse and clear the collective's left Muladhara chakra. Now we'll move to left Swadhisthana chakra. We can put your left thumb in front of the fire element, in front of the candle. Here we'll take the mantra to Shri Nirmala Vidya and Shuddhecha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirmala Vidya Sakshat Shri Shuddha Icha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Shri Mataji, please clear my left Swadhisthana chakra. Please burn away all negativities, all bhuts, all bhadas, all possessions, all the false guru bhut badas affecting my left Swadhisthana chakra through this fire element. Shri Mataji, verily you are the pure knowledge in me. Verily you are the pure desire in me. Please burn away all the false knowledge and all the impure desires in my affecting my left Swadhisthana chakra. And here we'll just observe what's happening. If your left Swadhisthana chakra is getting cleared, Shri Mataji, please clear the collective's left Swadhisthana chakra. Shri Mataji, please cleanse and clear collective's left Swadhisthana chakra, and please destroy all negativities, all false gurus affecting our pure knowledge and pure desire within us. And please fill our left Swadhisthana chakra with intense pure desire to become one with you. Here we'll take some negativity destroying mantras. Without short mantra we'll take without Shri Shatru Mardini. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shatru Mardini Namo Namaha. Mahishasuragatini. Om Tvameva Sakshat Mahishasuragatini Namo Namaha. Sarva Asatya Guru Mardini. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sarva Asatya Guru Mardini Namo Namaha. Sarva Bhayaharini Rudra Rupa. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sarva Bhayaharini Rudra Rupa Namo Namaha. Shri Shirdi Sainath. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shirdi Sainath Namo Namaha. Shri Shiva Shakti Putra Kartikeya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shiva Shakti Putra Kartikeya Namo Namaha. Shri Durga Mata Jagadamba. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Durga Mata Jagadamba Namo Namaha. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Now just observe what's happening in your left thumb. If it is becoming cool, on the fingertips, just observe what's happening in your fingertips and the other fingers. Now we'll move to the next chakra, to the left nabi, which is the left middle finger. Put the left middle finger in front of the flame. You will pray Shri Mataji, verily you are Shri Gruha Lakshmi, verily you are Shri Fatima Bi. Please come into my left nabi chakra. Shri Mataji, please burn away all negativities, all imbalances, all impurities, all bhadas, all possessions in my left nabi chakra. Shri Mataji, by your grace, I am completely satisfied. Shri Mataji, by your grace, I am completely satisfied. Please burn away all the dissatisfaction within me. Please burn away all the self-centeredness, greediness, lack of chastity, affecting my left nabi chakra. Please burn it away, Shri Mataji, through this fire element. Shri Mataji, please cleanse and clear the collective's left nabhi chakra. Shri Mataji, please cleanse and clear collective's left nabhi chakra. Knowingly or unknowingly, if we have done any mistakes against the Gruha Lakshmi principle, please forgive us. And please establish Shri Gruha Lakshmi Tattva in our left nabhi chakra. Shri Mataji, please remove the frantic nature in me. And please give me complete peace, complete balance, complete satisfaction in my left nabi. Please establish dharma within me so that I am always one with dharma. Now just observe what's happening in your left middle finger. Sometimes even you can see the black smoke, and you can observe what, like, until your left nabi finger becomes cool. Shri Mataji, please remove all the letharginess within me. Shri Mataji, please remove all the letharginess in me. For 2 minutes, we'll put left Swadhisthana and left Nabi together on the fire, pointing to the fire, both left Swadhisthana and left Nabi fingers. Sometimes if there is a Bada, we can put 2 fingers, which will help us to clear that Bada. We'll take the mantra to Sarva Bhada Vinashini. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sarvabhada Vinashini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. You can put both left Nabi, left Agya and left Swadhisthana together. 3 fingers towards the fire. Again, we'll take the mantra to Sarva Bhada Vinashini. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sarva Bhada Vinashini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. You can observe that if there is a bada which is moving from one chakra to the other, putting these fingers together will help us to clear that bada. Shri Mataji, please remove all the Aguru Kuguru badas affecting my left side chakras through this fire element. Now we'll move our left palm towards the fire, which is the void area, the left void. Here we'll take the mantra to Shri Adi Guru Dattatreya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Adi Guru Dattatreya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Shri Mataji, verily you are our Guru. By your grace, I am my own master. Shri Mataji, verily you are our Guru. By your grace, I am my own master. Please cleanse and clear my left void. Please burn away all negativities, all imbalances, all aguru kuguru badas, false guru negativities affecting the Guru principle in me. Shri Mataji, verily you are my Guru. Please put your divine lotus feet in my left void. Shri Mataji, please put your divine lotus feet in my left void and please burn away all the effects of false gurus, false knowledge from my left void into this fire element. Shri Mataji, please awaken the 10 Guru principles in my void. Please establish Vishwa Nirmala Dharma in my void. Now just observe what's happening in your left palm. Mataji, by your grace, I am my own master. Please cleanse and clear the collective's left channel, left void. Here we'll take the mantra to Sarva Asatya Guru Mardini. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sarva Asatya Guru Mardini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Now we'll move to the left heart chakra. We'll put the left pinky finger in front of the candle. We will pray, Shri Mataji, please cleanse and clear my left heart. Shri Mataji, by your grace, I am a pure spirit. I am nothing but a pure spirit. Shri Mataji, by your grace, I am a pure spirit. I am nothing but a pure spirit. Please clear my left heart. We'll take the forgiveness, the prayer here. Karacharana Krutam Vakaya Jamba Karama Jamba Shravanayana Jamba Manasam Vaparadam Vihitam Avihitam Ekshamaswam Jaya Jaya Karunabde Shri Mahadeva Shambho Jaya Jaya Karunabde Shri Mahadeva Shambho Jaya Jaya Karunabde Shri Mahadeva Shambho. Shri Mataji, please forgive us for all the mistakes that we may have committed against our spirit, knowingly or unknowingly. Please remove all negativities, all bhuts, all bhadas, possessions, which is taking me away from my spirit through this fire element. Shri Mataji, please remove all the misidentifications that I have. Please burn it away through this fire element. Shri Mataji, please remove all my attachments and please fill my heart with intense, pure desire, pure love in my heart. We'll take the mantra to Shri Shiva Parvati. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shiva Parvati Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Now move to next chakra, to the left Vishuddhi chakra. Keval pray Shri Mataji, please clear my left Vishuddhi chakra. Please burn away all the guilty feelings in my left Vishuddhi. Now we'll move to the left Agya chakra. You can put your left Agya chakra finger in front of the flame. Here we'll pray Shri Mataji. Please come into my left Agya chakra. Shri Mataji, by your grace, I am a pure spirit. I am not these conditionings. Please burn away all the conditionings of my mind, all my superego into this fire element. Shri Mataji, please destroy all negativities, all bhuts, all bhadas, all possessions in my left Agya chakra through this fire element. We'll take the mantra to Shri Mahavira. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahavira Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bhairavnath Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Shri Mataji, please burn away all the bhadas in my back Agya chakra through this fire element. Please forgive us and please forgive all our ancestors, all our family members for all the sins that we have committed against this divine power. Shri Mataji, please forgive them and please forgive me. Shri Mataji, please forgive them and please forgive me. Please forgive all my ancestors, all my family members, for all the sins committed against the God Almighty. Shri Mataji, please forgive them and please forgive me. Shri Mataji, please forgive them and please forgive me. Now we will stop the candling and we will quickly do the foot soak session. We will vibrate the water. I'll take the mantra to Shri Samudra Devata. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Samudra Devata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mata Ji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. We'll put our feet in the water. We'll put our right hand on our lap and left hand we'll put it on our liver. Here we'll pray Shri Mataji, please cool down our liver. Shri Mataji, please cool down our liver. Please remove all the heat, all the futuristic thoughts, worries, all anger, all aggression in me into the water element. Shri Mataji, please completely cool down my liver. Please remove all anger, all aggression, all heat from my liver into the water element. We'll take the mantra to Shri Rajalakshmi. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Rajalakshmi Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Now we'll move our left hand to our right Swadhisthana. Here we'll take the mantra to Shri Himalaya and Shri Chandrama. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Himalaya Sakshat Shri Chandrama Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Shri Mataji, please cool down my right Swadhisthana chakra. Please remove all the heat, all futuristic thoughts, all excessive thinking from my right Swadhisthana into the water element. Shri Mataji, please cool down my right Swadhisthana chakra completely. Shri Mataji, please cool down my right Swadhisthana chakra. Please remove the heat from my right Swadhisthana into the water element. Now we'll put the left hand towards the sky and we will put attention on the entire right channel and we'll take the mantra to Shri Maha Saraswati Shri Hanumana. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Maha Saraswati Sakshat Shri Hanumana Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji, Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shri Mataji, verily you are Shri Maha Saraswati, verily you are Shri Maha Hanumana. Please balance my Pingala Nadi. Please remove all the heat, all futuristic thoughts, worries, anger, ego from my Pingala into the ether element. Shri Mataji, please remove all my reactions, all aggression within me. Shri Mataji, verily you are the doer and you are the enjoyer. You do everything, I do nothing. Please cool down my right channel completely, Shri Mataji. Left hand back on our lap. Now we'll just raise our central channel 3 times while we take the mantra to Shri Mahasaraswati Ganesha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Both hands on your lap. Just observe what you feel on both palms. You will just pray, Shri Mataji, please remove all imbalances from my chakras into the water element. Please remove all the heat from my subtle system into the water element. Shri Mataji, verily you are Shri Sarva Chakra Swamini. Please come into every chakra of mine and please give me complete balance in all my chakras and nadis. We can wash our feet with the fresh water. After you're finished rinsing, we can sit for meditation and we will just listen to a short talk of Shri Mataji and we'll try to absorb the vibrations.
Today we are going to have Sri Krishna Puja. It is a very important thing about the power of Sri Krishna that gives you a witness state. This is very important also because in these days of Kali Yuga and complete confusion of value system, all kinds of turmoil, makes a very complex conditions to exist. The state
Jira is now for all teams. Even teams finalising go-to-market plans for products that are
of witnessing is only possible through meditation. You reach the state of thoughtless awareness. It's combined together. Now, the witness state is such a state where you just do not react. If you react, then the problem starts. It's a very simple thing to understand that we react through our ego or through our conditioning. Otherwise, there is no way to react. But witness state is not a mental state. It is a state of a spiritual ascent where you become a witness. Best way to practice witness state is not to criticize anyone. Not to criticize. I've seen people who are all the time criticizing others. They cannot criticize themselves, so they start criticizing others. So much so that they don't even see what's wrong with them. They don't even say what wrong they have done to others, because they think they have a right to criticize others, and they enjoy this criticism very well. Actually, there's nothing to be criticized. You just watch and see for yourself. That's all is your right. You have no right to criticize anyone or anything. But some people think if you do not criticize, then it will go on like this and it will never stop. It's not that. Once you watch the thing yourself, only just watch, your attention itself is enlightened now. With that enlightened attention, you can just watch and stop the nonsense that is there. But we are always conscious that we are something great and we have to do this and we have to do that. Under these circumstances, what happens is that you become another problem. Because what can you do? You can't do anything. But what you can do is to watch. By watching and by just seeing things as they are, you really develop a very different state of being. Firstly, all such people who are just witness, what happens to them is very interesting, that their memory loss is much less. Because whatever they see becomes like a picture to them. Like we can say, they can tell you even the color, the folding, everything. Whatever they see is so much in their mind like a photo, and they can tell you exactly what they have seen. And your memory is not lost. While if you react onto everything, your memory becomes horrible. And people are so much habituated with reacting. It can be very, very dangerous, because once you start losing your witness state, you can fall into negative collectivity. And thus, this negative collectivity acts in such a bad manner that all the conflicts of the world, all the problems of the world perhaps are related with this. So as Sahaja Yogis, what should we do? We should not react. We should not react. If you see something wrong, all right, you meditate on that. You meditate. If you find anything wrong happening, all right, meditate on that. If somebody is unkind to you, at that moment do not react. Afterwards, when that person is quietened, you tell him or tell her. So this power of witnessing, you all should develop. Try to develop it. That when you are reacting, stop reaction. Stop reaction about everything. You will be amazed. You will find yourself a very, very powerful person, in the sense you will have no ambitions, you will have no desires, you will have no special fondness or anything. But just you are witnessing the drama. It's very interesting to witness also, because then you understand the humor behind everything. And when in the collective all of you have that witness state, you can do wonders without doing anything, without saying anything, without acting. Only your presence itself can work it out. I don't say that it will have effect on everyone, no, can't say. But most of the people, any person who is in that state, he is the one who brings peace, he brings joy. Sri Krishna has said, you have to be aware of yourself. First to get self-realization and then to be aware of your position. Then you will be surprised how you develop proper attention and proper understanding. Absolutely, it's an easy thing to do as soon as you find that you have achieved that witness state. So please try to make yourself a witness. When you see something, go into thoughtless awareness. That is your food. Like these mountains, how they are steadily watching everything and emitting joy and beauty. In the same way, we have to become a witness. We need not talk too much, we need not keep quiet, but in the center, we should witness the whole thing as Leela. I wish you all very great luck for your witness state. In the witness state, we do not anyway express ourselves in a funny manner, but just in looking at ourselves. Because only we have created all the problems. It is we only, detaching ourselves from ourselves, can see these problems and can solve them. By God's grace, as I know you all are going to grow very much, and this state is to be achieved. In every state, whether it is a blessing, whether it is a progress, or whether it is just turmoil, you have to be seaworthy. Any ship which is a seaworthy is the one which can face all kinds of beautiful voyages or even turmoils and even the tempest. So what happens that when you are putting your attention so much to outside all the time, then you must first of all also divert your attention. All these things happen when your attention is diverted from criticizing, from reacting. Just you watch, become the witness, try to witness everything. It's not so very yet practiced. So far I've seen that whenever even we get our achieve our realization, we don't realize that we have to witness everything. When you start witnessing through your spirit, then you don't see the bad points of another, but you see the good points. You just pick up the person with very good points. See, so once you see that, the witness state enlarges and you start enjoying another person. You start enjoying everything that is there. Even a small blade of grass you can enjoy if you have that capacity. So you must practice as to find out what stops your thoughts, what makes you the witness. Once you develop this habit, you will station yourself nicely in the thoughtless awareness. Then you start watching how Sahaja Yoga has helped, how it has been blissful, what you have achieved through Sahaja Yoga. You will be amazed if you just start watching it everywhere. You'll be amazed how this Parama Chaitanya acts.
I was treated for my moderate to severe frown lines, crow's feet, and forehead lines. I'm the one and only.
Depends on how your Kundalini has risen. If she has risen in a perfect manner, then I've seen people at the first shot, they just become completely self-realized. Of course, there are very few, but they have been. While I see most of you have little problems, and for most of you it is the problem of the Agya Chakra. How do we get the Agya Chakra working so much is this, that we think as a reaction to anything outside. We react to everything. So humility is one of the criteria of a Sahaja Yoga. A person who doesn't have humility cannot be called Sahaja Yogi. I've seen even Sahaja Yogis get very angry. Sometimes start shouting and getting angry and misbehaving. That's the sign that he is not yet a Sahaja Yogi. He has to still match. So, this humility of a person will give you more stationary, I would say, more permanent state by which you will not react. You will not react. You look at anything, you react. But then you don't react, you just watch. And that is how the new state or witness state comes into. When you become the witness, you are just watching, not reacting, not thinking about it, but you are in the present. And in the present you just watch and really enjoy it. The enjoyment of all the creation is not within your mind when you are thinking. And when you are not thinking, the whole enjoyment of the beauty of all this creation reflects in you and gives you tremendous joy and peace. So one has to learn that we should not react. Today's problem is all human beings are very good at reacting. Reaction is the basic principle of today's life. See any newspaper, you see any book, you meet anyone, what I find that they are experts on reacting. They react. And by reaction, what happens? They never achieve any essence of the thing. Essence is only through witness state that you can achieve.
First and foremost is your sahasrara. Only your sahasrara can reflect the light of the divine. So your sahasrara is extremely important. You must meditate to enrich your sahasrara, to cure it, to make it completely nourished by the Kundalini. We are the ones who are going to support, look after the Satyava. And that's why the sahasrara opening is very, very important. It's very important. And those who want to grow should meditate every day, whatever time you may come home, maybe in the morning, maybe in the evening, any time. But you will know that you are meditating when you can get into thoughtless awareness. Then you will know. Your reaction will be zero. Look at something, you'll just look at it. You won't react because you are thoughtless. You won't react. When that reaction is not there, then everything, you will be surprised, is divine. Because reaction is your agas problem. Once you are absolutely thoughtlessly aware, you are one with the divine. So much so that divine takes over every activity, every moment of your life and looks after it. And you feel completely secure, one with the divine, and enjoy the blessings of the divine. May God bless you.
Will this be in the state of meditation for a couple of minutes? We will all collectively thank Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, we thank you from bottom of our hearts for helping us realize that we are the spirit and we are not this mind, we are not these thoughts. Shri Mataji, we thank you for cleansing our chakras and raising higher in our spiritual ascent. Please forgive us for anything, any mistakes that we may have committed, knowingly or unknowingly. We'll all collectively bow down, raise our Kundalini, and put ourselves in Bandhan. Desh Mataji. Yeah, we will conclude today's session. If anybody has to share anything or have any questions, please feel free to unmute yourself.